Cosmos. Hello everyone and welcome to this YouTube. I'm your host, the Doc, the Ghost Net Guy. Cosmos has been shooting the balls in right and left, and one of the reasons he's able to make those shots is he has a level stroke and he chalks a stick each time he shoots. In this upcoming short, we're going to jump out on a little boat and we're going to drop our DiverDrone down to 412 feet to look at the marine snow. Once again, that was reported on Cairo 7 News with Graham Johnson. As you recall, we were out in the little boat that day again. Started off in some 100 and some foot, down into 300. Well, today we're going to go 100 foot deeper and show you the seafloor between the Point Defiance region into Commencement Bay. So if you're ready to go, I am too. So let's drop the camera now from the surface, just a quick glimpse of the boat. And as we start to fall, you'll notice that the water looks pretty clear. Continuing our fall, starts to get a little bit now what, like snow? Are your headlights? See, it's getting thicker. Thicker. And if I bring the camera around now and just slowly start to maybe somewhat, should I come to a stop here pretty quick? Looking at the sea snow. So if I bring ourselves into a complete stop and look here, we're almost to the bottom. Wow. See? Now you know what we know from the surface to the bottom. Remember, specialize in your technique. Know the areas that you like to fish. And by all means, what? Fish where there's fish. Bye-bye. Okay, Cosmos, go ahead. See if you can make that 9 miles.